Mark here from System 3 Off-Road, and I'm here to introduce the all-new SB9 Beadlock Wheel. We designed the all-new 15.9 SB9 Beadlock Wheel to meet the growing demand for a wider offset and a wider stance. The SB9 features a multi-spoke mesh design that incorporates 4-lug and 5-lug applications. This wide stance and look is obtained by running the 15.9 on all 4 corners. The SB9 features a robust 1,500-pound load rating and a 10mm billet 60-6100 beadlock ring. The SB9 is offered with 2 finish options: matte black wheel with a gloss black ring and a gloss black wheel with a matte brushed gray ring. The SB9 comes with 20 5/16 grade 8 black CAD plated bolts that secure the ring to the wheel. As with all System 3 wheels, the SB9 comes with factory installed valve stem and bolt-in center cap. Never forget, the SB9 and all System 3 wheels come with our industry-leading lifetime structural warranty.